decision was taken to give support, logistic support to our nurses. As you know, our nurses work around the clock. They tend to be the standard presence in every health facility, hospitals, every hour of the day, every minute of the hour. And so it is appropriate for us to assist them in terms of transportation for security purposes and otherwise. So that was put in train some time ago as part of our negotiations with them. As it turns out, the buses are here, they are branded, they are new, and the scheduling of how they will be utilized will be done now, which is quite timely, obviously with all that is happening with Corona and so on. And we are calling on them to work even longer hours. It certainly is a very positive thing. So we want to really say that this is a statement of our own commitment to our nurses, to the work that they do, and a recognition also that they need support to do their work and to do it diligently and effectively. We're here then showing off 7 buses, 5 that are bought by the ministry for the region and the other 2 from Toyota on loan during this period. So I want to thank Toyota, sir. Thank you very much for the generous offer, and I'm sure it will be put to good use.
Toyota is always willing to assist, and of course we saw the need arise this time and we jumped at it to say, hey, we need to do something to help the Ministry of Health and to help Jamaica. So we're grateful to be able to be a part of this transportation network.
All of this, of course, is part of, in these times, of a critical response to what we're doing as it relates to the coronavirus. I think the staff, the medical staff, the team from the ministry all the way down to the parishes have been performing well. They have been under a lot of stress, and we really want to recognize them and thank them for the work they're doing and call on Jamaica to give them the fullest of support, because without them in the field doing the contact tracing, providing care in the institutions, in the hospitals, providing public education and information, giving tips, giving moral support, without them it would be that much more difficult. Indeed, we couldn't manage. That's just the reality. And so I really want to use the opportunity to say all of us need to give our healthcare workers the maximum support, and in whatever way you think you can even just encourage them verbally, it is well worth it, because this is a time when we need them more than any other group in this country to overcome this particular challenge.
I just want to say thank you, Minister, thank the Ministry of Health. This is a part of our negotiation that we are realizing at this time. Even though we are now in a crisis mode, we thank you very much for helping to alleviate the situation of the nurses at this time.